Welcome. Universe projects with many stages and complex navigation possibilities often require a way to reset a stage to a well-defined state. We can do that by creating a reset button for every stage that is executed by every navigation button that leads to this stage. This works but has to be considered every time the navigation is extended. Universe 2022.02 introduces another way that is a lot more flexible. For the first time we can now use the Universe device as a trigger. It can execute a button whenever a screen or web interface navigates to or away from a stage. We can use this trigger, for example, to turn NDI streams on only if the current stage is actually visible to reduce CPU load. Cheers.